Hello everyone, welcome to Accrue Foundation. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the concept called concatenation. And what is the concept means if you want to join two information, we have the concept called concatenation. For example, you have a variable information, something like first name equals to, I'll write Accrue, and you have one more variable, something last name equals to foundation, and you want to join this information. So I'll take one more variable and I'll write name equals to, I'll write if name, first name plus last name. And if I use the document dot write, because I want to display the information, right? So here I'll write name. That's it. So run this program. So you can see here we got Accrue Foundation. Because it's a case sensitive, if you give space here and save it, we got the space here also. And you can write directly also if name, last name here. Hope you got the concept. That's it for today. Thank you.